In this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can add a slab and then cut the part of your mesh to make it look like this, the other mesh you see right here. So actually in the previous video I did show you how you can actually create a slope terrain like this. So in case you didn't see the video or watch it, you'll be able to get the link in the description and the comment section. So let's start. So we are going to go to the floor plan. So on the floor plan, you are going to select the slab tool. That you have already done all your settings for the slab, you are just going to draw your slab depending on the shape, but I'm just going to show you a basic one. So just a basic rectangular shape. So what we are going to do now, we are going to press escape to then select the mesh, then right click, then select connect, then solid element operations. Automatically that one is going to be added as your target. So let me just move this on you. Then you are going to press escape, then select the slab that you created, then you are going to click on this one, add a separator, then select this one, subtraction, but then come and select subtraction with upward extrusion. You can also go for downward extrusion, but what I want to achieve is upward extrusion. I only want the upper part to be cut. So that is what I'm going to select. Then I'm going to click on execute, then just close that window, then go to 3D, and that is what you have right there. Everything has been cut. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, share the video. Thank you for watching.